Hello Internet, as promised, here's the Russ Fellows primary decat X pipe with a standard backbox on the M3 with a DCT gearbox car. I went for a drive. What you will hear is the exact same footage video recording as the external one, if you want to check that out. But this time the audio has been captured inside the car. It's been recorded with a external microphone, not the one that's built into the GoPro, but it's been plugged straight into the GoPro, so the sound should be better, hopefully. There is a bit of like interference from the mobile phone, as I guess the GoPro or the external mic that I use isn't shielded, so you'll hear those random beeps every now and then, so I do apologize about that. But this one doesn't sound as exciting from the inside, I must say, because like I said, it's very refined. You don't really hear that much inside the car, even though it sounds crazy outside, so you can check that one out if you watch the other separate video. But inside there's no drone. If you properly floor it, you will hear the exhaust, and it's a bit of a long video. It's like 10 minutes because I wanted to show you all the different kinds of scenarios during my drive and test drive. You know, like revving, going fast, red line, cruising speeds and all that kind of stuff. So if you don't want to watch it all, fair enough. But if you're interested, it's all there, all kinds of different scenarios. You can skip through it just to give you an idea. I had the window, or the passenger side window, sometimes closed, sometimes open. If you hear like a bit of a raw sound to the audio, then that probably means I had the window open for that particular section, just to give you an idea what it sounds like. But generally, it sounds amazing from the inside. You can just about hear it. So yeah, I will shut up now and let you watch the video, and thanks for watching.